Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this quick Pennsylvania espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it had a weak steam, and that was basically because this pump, this little water pump that you see here, this is the one that takes care of the steamer in this machine, was bad, and we ended up replacing it. And we also replaced the thermostat on the top of the steamer boiler. So now we have a good consistency of steam, as you can see through here. Working perfectly fine, having really good pressure. We also pretty much cleaned the steam when it was completely clogged with milk. So we pretty much removed the whole thing, disassembled the whole thing, and cleaned it. And that gave us really good pressure out of this steam. So now we're gonna test the machine, starting with one shot of espresso. By the way, we also did a tune on the machine, replacing the gasket. This is the old gasket that was in there. And we also descaled the machine, descaled the steamer boiler as well as the brew boiler. So let's test the machine by doing a shot of espresso. Hopefully I put enough coffee on this so we can see a good shot coming from this machine. As you can see, it needs to be a little bit more fine to have that really perfect crema, but we're having a good water flow coming out here, and it's looking great. There you go. The shot. And there you have it, quick Vincent manual working once again. So thank you for preparing Kanen Coffee, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.